Good morning children. In the last video, we learnt about different scales for temperature. Today let us do some numericals based on this. We will be solving numericals which are there in the textbook page number 89. So the question number 3, that is convert 5 degree Fahrenheit to the Celsius scale. You have to convert degree Fahrenheit to Celsius scale. So we have to use the formula. We have to know the relationship between the Fahrenheit scale and Celsius scale. So we know that C by 5, this is a relationship between the degree Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. This formula you have to use for converting degree Fahrenheit to Celsius scale. Now, let us substitute here. C by 5 is equal to 5 degree. Fahrenheit is 5 degree minus 32 by 9. Now, you have to cross multiply. When you cross multiply, you will get 9 into C is equal to 5 into 5 minus 32. 5 minus 32. Now multiply here, 5 into 5 is 25 minus 32 into 5. We'll just multiply and see. 32 into 5, 5 into 2, 10, 5 3 is 15 plus 160. That is 160. Now we have to subtract here 160 minus 25. 10, 5, remaining 5 here, 5 minus 2 is 3, 135. That is negative sign, negative 135, minus 135. When you subtract 25 minus 160, you will get minus 135. So 9 into C is equal to minus 135. So C is equal to minus 135 divided by 9. When you take 9 to the other side, it will be divided. Okay. So minus 135 divided by 9. We'll just divide 135 by 9. 9 ones are 9. Remaining 4, 45. 9 5s are 45. Okay, when you divide, you will get 15. So, minus 15, right? Negative sign you have to consider. Now, therefore, finally, 5 degree Fahrenheit is equal to minus 15 degree Celsius. Now, let us do the next problem. Question number 4. Convert 40 degrees Celsius to the, first you have to convert 40 degrees Celsius to the Fahrenheit scale, and second part of this question is converting that into Kelvin scale. So, first we will convert 40 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit scale. So, we will use the formula. Again, we know the relationship between the degree Celsius and Fahrenheit scale. C by 5. This is the first part of the question. C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. Okay, now we will substitute degree Celsius, that is 40 divided by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. Now 40 divided by 5 is 8. 8 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. Again 8 into 9. You have to cross multiply is equal to F minus 32. 8 into 9 is 72 is equal to F minus 32. Or we can take 32 to the other side. We will get 72 plus 32 is equal to F. Or that is equal to, when you add 72 plus 32, you will get 104. 104 is equal to F. Or we can say 40 degrees Celsius is equal to 104 degree Fahrenheit. Now, let us do the second part of this question. That is, you have to convert 40 degrees Celsius to the Kelvin scale. Now, for this, you should know the relationship between the degree Celsius and Kelvin scale. Now, the formula which we are going to use here is Kelvin scale is equal to degree Celsius plus 273. This is the formula. So, this is the second part of the question. Now, Kelvin scale, you have to convert 40 degrees. So, we will write 40 degrees Celsius plus 273. Now when you add 273 plus 40, you will get 311, 313, 40 plus 273. That is Kelvin is equal to 313. Or we can say, finally we can write 40 degrees Celsius is equal to 313 Kelvin. Now let us solve question number 5, that is convert minus 40 degree Fahrenheit to the Celsius scale. Again we have to use the relationship between Fahrenheit scale and Celsius scale. So the formula is C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. So C by 5 we'll just substitute here. F is minus 40 minus 32 by 9. Now we will cross multiply again. 9 into C is equal to 5 into minus 40 minus 32. You know minus 40 minus 32 is equal to, when you add this 40 plus 32, 32 is equal to 72. That is minus 72. Now C is equal to 5 into minus 72 divided by, we'll write this in the bracket, divided by 9. Now 9 8s are 72. So you'll get 5 into minus 8, which is equal to 40, minus 40. So finally we can write this as minus 40 degree Fahrenheit scale is equal to minus 40 degree Celsius. Now practice the same questions in your rough note. Thank you, children.